to my channel. This is again Showtime with MC, and today I'm making an unboxing of the iPhone SE 2020. This is, I think, probably the first time I'm making an unboxing of such a brand new product. This iPhone was released 2 months ago, and if you are interested in specs of this phone, I will include the link to the video where I'm reviewing the specs and some other features of this phone in the description down below. And now let's finally move to the unboxing of this. Let's start! So here is this beautiful product, and let's finally unpack it. Oh, I love the sound of this beautiful thing. Okay, now let's move to the unboxing. So, wow, this is beautiful. Now let's see what we have documentation over here. So here we have this red thing. I don't know what is this, but I think we'll probably find it out. And here is written, designed by Apple in California, as in all products of Apple. Now let's finally see what we have inside this documentation. So of course this product red thing, and something is written over here. Okay, here's written, in partnership with Red, Apple will contribute a portion of your iPhone purchase to the global funded WWW Red organization. So nothing interesting. Now then we have this guide to iPhone, some sort of, but I don't understand. It doesn't open. Really, I think it's just one thing. Okay, so it just tells us the basic thing about the iPhone and how to use it. So we're not going to stay here long. There's some ejection tool. This is just a simple documentation, and of course 2 Apple stickers, only white ones. Okay, Apple, good job. Now I'm gonna tidy up here and return. So okay, here we are. Remove the box over here, and finally let's move to the unboxing of this beautiful product. So let's take it out, of course, from the package, and let's move it aside for a second. Just first of all, let's see what we have inside the box. So just a simple earphones, and I wonder if they are lightning or okay, they're this sort of thing. Okay, interesting. And of course the USB-C cable over here. And here we also have, wow, 5-watt charger. Are you kidding me, guys? Like, it's for an iPhone of 2020, still 5-watt charger. Okay, now let's finally move to our iPhone. Here the iPhone is. Let's unbox it. So let's start from here. Okay. Beautiful. This is so beautiful, I cannot understand. Okay, now let's see what we have here. So on this side we have no headphone jack, only this charging cable or charging adapter, like where we have to plug this charger as well as the earphones. Okay, on this side it's quite interesting. On this side, look, here we have almost everything as on iPhone 8, but the one thing that is changed is that the logo has moved to the center of the iPhone, as in all iPhone 11, 11 Pro Max, and iPhone 11 Pro. Okay, here we have just volume up and down buttons and this turn on off volume button. And on this side we have, of course, turn on off iPhone button. Now let's see. It's very interesting phone, as you can see. It's a product red, and it's quite interesting. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on right now. Okay, it is turning on.
Okay, finally it booted up, and now let's finally start. It tells us hello, and let's press the home button. Okay, now we have to choose the language. In this case, we will choose English. Then we will select our country, but this is not for your eyes. Okay, now I finally selected the country, and it tells us quick start. So what is it? Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. If your other iPhone or iPad doesn't show options for setting up this iPhone, make sure it's running iOS 11 or later and has Bluetooth turned on. You can also set up this iPhone manually. So here is my previous iPhone with which I want to use this one, and it already tells us set up new iPhone, and we're gonna just simply tap continue here, and let's see what happens. It tells us connecting, and now it shows us some kind of QR code or something, I don't know. Let's do like this. So I guess the camera must be like this. Okay, and finish new iPhone. Finish our new iPhone. So what shall we do? So it's loading, as you can see. Let's wait for a second. Okay, now it tells us to enter password from this iPhone. I will enter this, but I will trim it out, of course. Okay, I entered the password. Now setting up your iPhone, finally. Let's see what happens. I'm very, very interested. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Okay, let's wait. Okay, now it tells us to set up Touch ID, but I will set up Touch ID later, of course. Set up Touch ID later. Then, are you sure you don't want to use Touch ID? Don't use. We'll set up it later. Then transfer data from this iPhone. If you are moving from Max iPhone, you can transfer all its data and settings directly to this iPhone. Keep your other iPhone nearby and connect it to power until the transfer is completed. Estimated transfer time 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, continue. Setting up your Apple ID. Let's see. I will return when I will be done. Oh, no. Apple ID, it asks us for the Apple ID password. I will just simply type it in. Okay, I've inserted the password and sign in. Let's see what happens. Okay, setting up your Apple ID. Now we're here, terms and conditions. So send by email or just agree. So we're gonna tap agree. Okay. Location services. Location services allow maps and other apps and services like Find My to gather and use data indicating your approximate location. So enable location services. Apple Pay, set up later in wallet. I don't need it to set up here, so I'm gonna set it up later. Then iPhone Analytics, help Apple improve its products and services by allowing analytics of usage data from your iPhone. You can change your decision later in settings. Okay, don't share, I don't want to share my data. See, okay, this is new thing on this iPhone SE. So let's see, True Tone, see without True Tone. So I don't think that on your screen you can see what happens, but like it becomes whiter and then yellowish color or something like that. Okay, continue. Now appearance, we can choose light and dark mode over here. Let it be light mode, then continue. Okay, it is transferring data from this iPhone to this iPhone. It will take some time. I will return later in this video. Finally, transfer completed, and it took me about 40 minutes, not more. And here it tells us press home to upgrade. Let's press home. I will enter the passcode from the previous device. Okay, and here comes familiar Apple logo. And it will just boot up. It will take some minutes, and I will return that. Upgrade is completed. Press home to open, of course, password from the previous device. And software update complete. Continue. Then we will select the Wi-Fi network. I don't think that we'll need this anymore, so let it be. It's your time to shine. So we will choose the Wi-Fi network. Okay, setting up your iPhone. Terms and conditions, again, agree. I don't know why did they give these terms and conditions the second time, but okay. Updating iCloud settings. Set up later in wallet. I don't think that this is the first time they are asking us this thing. Okay, improve Siri, not now. Screen time, set up later. Home button, haptic. To set the one you like best, tap to continue. Okay, let it be this one. Let it be the second one, continue. Then display zoom. I know we don't need zoomed one. Continue. Welcome to iPhone. Get started. Okay, again, asks us the password, and here it is. And by the way, all the settings are as they were on this one, the previous iPhone. Look, like every single app is as it was on the previous one. So I think that's quite cool, and all the data was transferred, and like that's awesome, I think. And now let's finally talk about it a little bit. So here, as I already told you, is the turn on off button. Here, let's take a look at this. So many people say that this iPhone is much like the iPhone 8, 7, and 6, and I have here iPhone 6 for comparison. Let's compare it. Okay, here is the iPhone 6 for comparison, and I will turn it on, and here is the iPhone 6 for comparison. So let's see the brightness, like a little comparison. I'm not going to dive deeper inside here, but let's take a look at it. So of course the volume up down buttons are absolutely the same. Then the SIM ejection, like the card place, is the same as well on both devices, if you can see. Then let's see this side over here. Okay. Of course, we have here the headphone jack. Well, we don't have here, but we have here more microphones and speakers. Then again, volume up down buttons are absolutely the same here as well. Of course, the side is the same as well. And finally, let's move to the most interesting part, the back side. Okay, here is another material. I think this is glass or something like that. And here we can see only, here is written only product red. While here, bunch of stuff. Designed by Apple in California, blah, 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 blah. Okay. And also, the camera is different on both of them. And the logo is in the center, while here, upper. And yeah, I think it's pretty much it.
Thank you guys for watching, and if you liked this video, of course, click like, because that means a lot. And by the way, you want to click like, you know why? Because when this video gets 25 likes, I'm gonna make another unboxing of a modern, brand new product. And for now it will be a secret, but I will tell you, or you will see it in the video later. And so give this video 25 likes, and if this video gets 30 likes, I will make iPhone SE 2020 that we unboxed right now versus another modern iPhone. I think that's great, and of course, so that you don't miss any future videos like this, subscribe down below, and see you guys later. Bye!